Hi guys, it's Liam from Supreme. Today I'm going to show you how to torque your wheels. First you're going to need a torque wrench with your right socket. You can Google the proper torque spec for your car. This one will be 110. You'll want to set it so it's at 110 foot-pounds. Then you go on the tire and you wait for the click. And you want to go in a diagonal pattern. That's how you know it's torqued. You just want to set your torque wrench back to 0. Thanks for tuning in to Supreme Tire and Auto's channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more Supreme content. And remember, if you can't come to us, we'll come to you. We'll pick up your vehicle, service it, drop it off. Check the link in the description for an appointment. We'll see you guys next time.